welcome back, my wonderful mathematicians. Welcome back. All right, so we actually have two more games left. If you've been able to go through all the videos, you guys are going to do awesome on Friday's test. So we have two more games left. The next game that you're going to pull out is the money game. So go ahead and pull out the money game packets out of the boxes. And you're going to also need a sheet of notebook paper. So if you need to pause the video to get everything passed out, go ahead and pause the video and get everything passed out. Once you've gotten everything passed out, go ahead and take everything out of the packet. Now, this here dealing with money, we're talking about financial literacy. And we've already talked a little bit about this, but we're going to go a little bit further. Some of you guys, and I know it's actually right now just Bradley's and Ruben's class, you have some money saved inside your bank accounts. And normally, you would have a savings account and you would have a checking account. The checking account is the money that you will use to purchase your stuff. The savings account is the money that you're just trying to save. Let's say, for instance, Aaron wants to buy a television. So he's been saving his money, and right now in his savings account, he has $516.16. That's what he has in his account right now. This week, he's getting some more money from a job that he's probably doing. Let's say he's creating some t-shirts. So he's about to come into some money, and he's going to add $124.62 to his savings account. There's one thing that I forgot to add right here on the sheet. The television is going to cost him $779.98. Because he's getting this big old flat screen television to put in his bedroom. And this television is going to cost him $779.98. So we need to figure out, Aaron, how much money do you need in order to make sure that you're able to purchase this? So to find out first, we need to figure out how much money is actually going to be in his savings account. We need to add what's in there right now and what he's about to put in there. So that's the first step that you need to do. Add up what's going to be in his savings account. So we added $516.16 to $124.62. And that's where we got the sum, $640.78. So after this week, Aaron is going to have $640.78. But how much money does he need to continue to add? How much money does he need? In order for us to find that out, we take how much the television is going to cost us, $779.98, and we're going to subtract it from how much money is in his savings account, $640.78. The difference is $139.20. So Aaron needs $139.20 more in order for him to go to the store and purchase this television. So what you're going to do, you have 3 cards, and you're going to find out how much money these people need in order for them to get a video game, in order for them to get an iPad, and in order for them to get a hoverboard. So go ahead and pause the video, get into your, you should already be in your groups, pause the video, and get started. And I'll see you in a minute with the answers. All right, welcome back. Now we're going to look at the answers. So for A, we had $324.23 already in the savings account. And this person added $123.55 this week to the savings account. So when we added this, our sum is $447.78. This person wants to purchase a video game, and this video game is actually a video game console. This video game is $643.25. That's how much it is from the store, at the store. So we need to figure out how much more money does this person need? So we're subtracting $643.25 from, we're subtracting $447.78 from $643.25. And our difference is $195.47. So if you got that answer, awesome. That's how much money this person needs in order for them to purchase the video game console. Now, next, we're going to take a look at B. For B, this person currently has $123.67 in their savings account. This week, they're going to add $55.88 into their savings account. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out how much money is actually going to be in the savings account. We add $123.67 to $55.88, and our total, our sum, is $179.55. Now we need to figure out how much money do they need in order for them to purchase this hoverboard, which is $345. Remember, sometimes you're going to see $345. There is an invisible decimal after that 5 and our 2 zeros. So that is why we need to make sure that we set it up this way. $345, our decimal, and our 2 zeros in order for us to subtract that sum, $179.55. So the difference is $165.45 because we subtracted $179.55 from $345, and our difference is $165.45. So this person needs $165.45 in order for them to purchase that hoverboard. And then our last one, C, this person has $367.55 in their bank account, in their savings account right now. They're only going to add $125.99 to their savings account. So to find out what our sum is, we're adding everything up, and our sum is $493.54. He's trying to purchase an iPad that's $679.55. So how much money does he need in order for him to purchase? So we're subtracting the $679.55 from what's in his savings account right now, $493.54. When we subtract it, our difference is $186.01. That's how much he needs in order for him to get the iPad. So if you got this correct, awesome! All right, make sure your name is on your paper. Collect the papers. Place everything inside the box. The appropriate boxes that are on the cart. The appropriate class boxes that's on the cart. Once you've done that, you're going to take everything and put it back inside the packet for the next class. Place the packet inside the black bucket, and then we're on to our last game. Now, our last game is the perimeter and area one. So go ahead and pull this one out the black bucket. Once you've got this out the black bucket, you are going to pull everything out of the packet, and we're going to take a look at this first. Remember, perimeter, rim, that is the outside. So I have my coffee cup here. This is the rim of my coffee cup. This is the outside of my coffee cup. So whenever we're looking for the perimeter, we are looking at the outside. Remember, area is the inside. We want the inside of our shape. So if I have a shape like this, to find the perimeter, I'm counting I can't think of what this is called. The strips on the outside. So this is one strip. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So that is why my perimeter is 24. because that's how many strips I have on the outside to make up the shape. For the area, I count the boxes that are on the inside. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. That is how my area is 27. Now, it is better for you. This is what we've been talking about as far as a dirty, clean paper. When you're counting, you need to write it down. Write it down, because this is what I've seen students do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 15. They accidentally double count or triple count a particular box. And then their area could be off by, they'll say the area is 26 is 27 instead of 27 because they didn't write anything down. They were just counting and they forgot where they stopped off counting. So make sure you write it down, the inside and the outside one. Make sure you write it down. That is why inside your packet you have dry erase markers for this particular one. So you can write it down and then be able to erase it. So go ahead and pause the video if you have not done so already. Pass out a sheet of notebook paper to be able to, oh, and on the back of these is where you'll know. Number 2, perimeter and area. Number 1, perimeter and area. So you'll know which one goes to which. That's how you'll be able to determine the shapes. So on your paper, I should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the perimeter and area for each of these shapes. So go ahead and pause the video, get started, and I will see you in a minute. All right, welcome back, my wonderful mathematicians. So the perimeter for our first shape, when I count it all the way around, my perimeter is 30. So for number 1, the perimeter is 30. When I count at the inside, my area is 50. For shape number 1, the area is 50. For shape number 2, the perimeter is 24. I counted all the way around. Perimeter is 24. Area, I counted it all on the inside. Area is 32. So for shape number 2, perimeter is 24, area is 32. For shape number 3, when I counted all the way around, and that was a lot of counting, counted all the way around, my perimeter was 42. And for the inside, my area was 68. So perimeter 42, area 68. For shape number 4, when I counted the outside, my perimeter is 26. And for area, when I counted the inside, my area is 40. And then for our last shape, our itty bitty shape, shape number 5, the perimeter, our outside, was 20. And our area, the inside, counting all the blocks or all the boxes, our area is 21. So perimeter is 20, area is 21. All right, now that concludes our math games. So I'm hoping that everybody was able to get through all of the games. Friday is your math test. And if you've been able to do the math games inside the classroom and you've done your math review sheet, hint, 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 make sure you do your math review sheet. Those are due Thursday. They will be collecting them on Thursday. Make sure you've done them. If you've done your math review sheet, you should be able to do so great on Friday's test. Remember, I'm looking to see who's passing these tests because the ones that pass these tests will get invitations for the pizza party and the electronics party when I get back. So, have an awesome time and good luck on Friday's test, and I will see you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.